My colleague Asim Masih is now joining me from Hisar. Asim, the place where you're standing, that's the polling booth where the Chautala family will be coming. These elections are very, very crucial for Dushyant Chautala and his entire family and his party.
Yeah, definitely, because this is, as we spoke some time back, that is going to be a big litmus test for Naib Hussaini. This is going to be a big test for the Chautala family also, especially Dushyant Chautala, because they formed the JJP last time and then they got 10 seats and they merged with the BJP to form a government, and he was a deputy chief minister before the alliance broke. But this time he is contesting from Uchanakala, and you can see that Ajay Chautala, the father of Dushyant Chautala, has come to cast his vote, and he's a Dushyant Chautala. You can see in pictures, Dushyant Chautala is here to cast his vote. He was the former deputy chief minister. This time, although he's contesting from Uchanakala, but he's a resident of Sirsa. This is the reason that he has come here. This is the reason he's come here to contest the vote. Dushyant Chautala, with his family and with his mother Nana Chautala, and the entire family has come here to vote in the polling booth, which is close to his house. He's been the former deputy chief minister of the state, and the entire family has come here to contest, to cast the vote. So you can see the visuals clearly. Dushyant Chautala, this election is a big litmus test for him as well. Dushyantji, one word if you want to say anything.
Let me poll first.
How big a day is this for you?
It's a very good day, a very big day for everybody. I think this is going to decide the fate of the state for next 5 years.
Last time you were deputy chief minister in alliance. This time
Last time also I was a candidate. When people voted, we got the numbers. I became the deputy chief minister, and I'm sure people will come out at large. They will vote and give us the same power, even bigger power to the alliance.
How different it is going without BJP this time?
Last time also I was not with BJP.
You were there for 1.5 years.
No, never. I think your facts are not correct.
When you were in alliance, you were the deputy chief.
I was in alliance post-poll.
Yeah.
For polling, I was never in alliance with BJP, and this time also we are in alliance with Azad Samaj Party, and I think together we will come out with good numbers.
Last time you got 10 seats. Any seat number this time, sir? So you can see that Dushyant Chautala spoke that this time he's in alliance with Azad family, and they're going to come out in big numbers. And although he was a deputy chief minister, had a post-poll alliance with the. So we can talk to Ajay Chautala, who's here.
अभी आया हूँ। जिस तरह का रिस्पांस प्रदेश की जनता की तरफ से मिल रहा है, अच्छा ही।
तो आपकी बात लगता है कि किंग मेकर की स्थिति में आएंगे या किंग बनेंगे?
निश्चित तौर पे इसी चाबी से ताला खुलेगा हरियाणा प्रदेश की विधानसभा का।
उचाना से कैसे देखते हैं, क्योंकि उचाना पे एक बिग फाइट है और वहाँ से आप लोग लगातार।
फाइट तो हर चुनाव में होती है भैया, बिना फाइट के चुनाव थोड़े होते हैं।
सर, जेजेपी नई पार्टी बनी थी, 10 सीटें आई थी पिछली बार। इस बार क्या उम्मीद है? आपने अलायंस कहीं और किया इस बार?
पहले से ज्यादा आएगी।
इस बार भी किंग मेकर आप बनेंगे, क्योंकि पिछले बार
मैंने आपको बताया कि हरियाणा प्रदेश की विधानसभा का ताला इसी चाबी से खुलेगा।
तो बिल्कुल आप देख सकते हैं।
क्या सर इस बार भी संभावना है बीजेपी के साथ? अगर बीजेपी
पिछली बार जैसे अजय जी
चुनाव परिणाम घोषित होने दो, क्या स्थिति बनती है उसके बाद।
पिछली बार जैसे पोस्ट पोल अलायंस हुआ था आपका, इस बार कोई उम्मीद रखते हैं आप बीजेपी के साथ जाने की? पोस्ट पोल अलायंस अगर सिचुएशन बनती है तो
नहीं,
तो रूल आउट कर रहे हैं आप? बिल्कुल बीजेपी के साथ नहीं जाएंगे?
मैसेज क्या देना चाहेंगे लोगों को? क्या मैसेज जाएगा लोकतंत्र?
सो बड़ी बात कह रहे हैं अजय चौटाला यहाँ की, रूल आउट कर रहे हैं कि पोस्ट पोल पे नहीं जाएंगे।
पर्व है, जागरूक मतदाता जो हैं वो एक एक मतदान अपना करें और ये फैसला लें कि कौन प्रदेश को विकास की दृष्टि से आगे बढ़ा सकता है, कौन प्रदेश के नौजवान को रोजगार दे सकता है, कौन सम्मान को 4 साल लगा।
इलेक्शन दौरान क्या लगता है आपको कि क्या प्रभावित किया सबसे ज्यादा? पावर की बात की जा रही है, चौराहट की बात की जा रही है, क्या कहना है आपका? कितनी उम्मीद है
हमारे साथ?
पहले भी हमारी
इधर 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 ओ भाई इधर। हमारे साथ हैं दुष्यंत।
Now, this is the Chautala family now casting their votes. Dushyant Chautala at the moment very, very confident. In fact, he believes that the key for this election will be he and his party. Let's also listen into what Dushyant Chautala is telling my colleague Aseem Masih.
थोड़ा सा आप लोग भी
मैं बाहर सबको दे दूंगा तो अजय दुष्यंत जी एक बात अजय चौटाला जी ने
सबको दे दूंगा
दुष्यंत जी एक आप बात बता दें कि दुष्यंत जी पिछली बार अलायंस हो गया था बीजेपी से, इस बार कोई रूल आउट करते हैं कि हो सकता है?
ये लोग धक्का दे रहे हैं ना यार।
जॉइंटली स्टेज पे दे दूंगा।
अरे भाई थोड़ा कंट्रोल करो,
The visuals that you are seeing, it is Dushyant Chautala looking very, very confident and also believes that his party and it will be he who will be the key for this crucial elections taking place in the state of Haryana. The voting is underway and this is the former Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Haryana, Dushyant Chautala, along with his family members. They just cast their vote.
यहाँ सबको दे दूंगा यार, तुम तोड़ोगे।
With Dushyant Chautala moving out of the polling booth. He, along with his family members, have just cast the vote and they are very, very confident that first of all, they'll be winning more seats than they did the last time, and they also believe that they actually will be very, very crucial in the formation of the government in the state of Haryana.